In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello, my dear students of class 9. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. Today, we are going to learn about the sentence and its kinds according to the exercise. In a previous lecture, we understood the Helen Keller's lesson and its exercise. Now, today, as I have just told you about we will learn about the sentence and its structures as well and its kinds. So here, according to the sentence, the first kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. So we must know about the exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses strong feelings and emotions. We put at the end of the sentence the exclamatory marks, as in the first, how fortunate are those born with eyes to see. This sentence is taken from the lesson, and it's at the end the usage of the exclamatory marks like this. What a misfortunate. So here is also exclamatory marks. What a joy. What a nice school. So because it expresses the feelings of a person as well. So we can also say it's we have won the match, or loss. I have lost my English grammar book somewhere. So because we express in these exclamations or exclamatory marks a sudden feeling or strong emotions. I think you understand my point of views. Here are another examples. What a long hair. So we can also use exclamation or exclamatory sentences beginning with a word, how, okay, and also use the exclamatory words like loss, hurrah, oh, okay. These are the words that we can also use. For suppose, oh, a loss, sadness, hurrah, it means expression of the happiness as well. In this sadness, oh, it means a sudden emotion of one person's. As what a long hair, you can also add this, you have, how nice you speak English, okay, how big or big your thoughts are, how wonderful to be with you. At the end, exclamatory marks. So now come to the imperative sentence. This is also kind of sentence. In this sentences, there are expression of use of order or express order, command, request or prohibitions. And it begin with without subject. It uses or begin with a verb. For suppose, give me the book. So now the first word is give me the book. Shut the door. Shut is also verb, the door. Be quiet, silent, have a seat, get lost, come into the class, do your homework. These are the imperative sentences. And in this sentence, we can also use command, request or prohibition. Don't tell a lie. This is the prohibition or forbid. Okay. Get out of the class. This is the command or order. Okay, my dear students, I think you are understanding my point of view. You understand? So these are the imperative sentences. So in These, please give me the book. This is also imperative sentence. I just told you about the in imperative sentences there is use of request, prohibition, command. Okay, these sentences. So in number B, shut the door, please. So you know that the please is also request. Please be quiet. You are requesting somebody to be quiet. So now here, so because these were the imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, there is also kind of assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, a positive sentence we can use. As in interrogative sentences, we ask the question. This is also kind of the sentence as well. So for suppose in interrogative sentences, what is your name, where do you live, and are you student class 9? For suppose this is also use a helping verb to ask the question as well. So because these are the kind of sentences as we learned here. So now adjectives. So as in earlier chapters, earlier lessons in exercise, we also understood the adjective. So what is the adjective? I once again tell you about the definition of adjective. Adjective is used with noun or pronoun or qualify noun or pronoun. It gives the quantity, quality, use as a quantity, quality and number as well. So here we are given the words look, seem, feel plus adjective. After this we can also use adjective, and keep in your mind after to be verb, what are to be verbs is am or was and were. These are the past. We can also use adjective as well. For suppose she looked very unhappy. Here unhappy is adjective. Her parents feel sorry for her. Sorry is adjective. Helen feel excited. Excited here is adjective. This orange looks red. Red is adjective. This cloth feels soft. Soft is also adjective. So this wristwatch seem to be very expensive. My dear students, expensive is also adjective. Everybody seemed to be sad on her untimely death. Sad is also adjective. So my dear students, we must know about the adjective and where we use adjective. Okay, so also we use after to be verb, and in a sentence we can also use two adjective together with connected with conjunction. For suppose in this exercise, use of two adjectives. Some people are bold and courageous. Bold and courageous, it is also a same adjective give the meaning. Why here these two adjectives are used? To make the writing strong, more strong. She is social and friendly. Social and friendly is the same adjective, give the same sense or meaning, but that make the sentence are express strongly. She was deaf and blind, but studied at the university. Always be happy and cheerful. Happy and cheerful is the same meaning. Uses two adjectives together. He is a nice, smart fellow. Nice, smart is adjective. She writes in a beautiful, neat hand. Beautiful, in a beautiful, neat hand. Beautiful and neat is as well adjective. So my dear students, these were the sentence and its kinds, and we also learned about the usage of this, these sentences in the exercise as well, and we also knew about the adjectives and two adjectives to use together in the sentences as well. So here the use of two adjectives emphasize the qualities of noun as well as give forth the languages, as I already told you, to express strongly or express your views more powerfully. So now your homework is that you use the sentence and its kinds in your sentence as well, and you also use the adjective in your sentences. Also you can use here the two adjective together in your sentences. This is your homework, and inshallah we will commence another poem, the daffodils, in the next lecture. Okay, thank you my dear students.